Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be talking about my Nissan 350Z that I dailyed for over a year. It's a 2004 DE. Very simple setup. We got Mishimoto intake with just a Z1 intake plenum spacer. Some kind of aftermarket larger radiator. It was on the car when I got it. Not sure what it is. We got that TFF dash bar. The Mishimoto oil cooler, of course. And it's got a max angle kit, max parts shop. Just like a lower control arm kit with S14 extended tie rods. Working on trying to get some more angle out of that. Got the Nardi, of course. We got well temp gauge in there. Very stock interior. We got a Hydra e-brake. I just need rear calipers for remounted up pretty soon. We got the subs, streetcar, the fire extinguisher, of course, in the back. And just some various adjustment arms, nothing crazy. And we got a welded differential with a diff brace. Exhaust is just some crusty ass, looks like homemade. Just cats to a wide pipe and then a straight. It sounds good, don't look good. We're gonna change that up eventually. Got the new drill spares. Just came in today. Got a T37s. I'm just kidding. Some AVID1s. Got white. It's pretty good. Alright, so today we're fitting up the new drift wheels this season. Here's the street wheels, bronze, Cosmos Racing, XT206R. Love the bronze, but the white AVID1s kind of hits. So this is a 245. We're gonna see if we can fit it up front with my angle kit. This car is a max angle kit. So we're gonna see if we have any rubbing issues. so I gotta do a fitment test. We're gonna drop it, see what it looks like. So keep in mind, I live in a very steep driveway, and it's pretty high, but it's functional. Let's see what it looks like. It's poking a little bit. That's not bad. Front's not bad. It's actually lower in the rear than I thought it'd be. I think with the other rims, it looks like the gap's way higher. It's pretty flush too. I think in the front, I'm gonna have to run a spacer though. We're gonna test it at full lock in a second. All right, so we got the drift event coming up in about 2 weeks. So today's mod, oil catch can for the rear PCV. We got some Mishimoto, there's a universal 1/2-inch line. Just bent this little bracket up right here. So, spray painted it black, you know, nothing special. If you don't know which one's the in and the out, I had to figure this out at first. Take it out, and you can see how that one goes farther down. So that's the end. So the blow-by gases will go down, and you won't suck it back up. See how the out's a lot shorter. Alright, so I got the intake pipe off right there. So as you can see currently, I just got a PCV valve breather on it right there. And it's leaking oil. And yeah, we're gonna get rid of that today. So that's the PCV valve. So we're gonna come out of that and we're gonna go into our catch can, and it's gonna come out of the catch can and into the intake pipe port. So the purpose of a PCV catch can, oil catch can, is so pistons naturally have a little bit of blow-by, so you get a little crankcase pressure. So from manufacturer, they just plummet through your intake again. But that kicks up your intake and a lot of stuff, so a lot of guys like to delete it. But that can cause crankcase pressure, and you can get a lot more leaks like that. So for drifting and stuff, you definitely want an oil catch can. So here's the old PCV breather valve that was on there. And you can see that thing was leaking oil right on top of the trans. Right there. And we got our hose ran from our PCV valve to the catch can. Now we just gotta run from the catch can to the intake. Alright, so here's the final product of our oil catch can for the rear PCV 350ZDE. A couple things to make sure before you finally bolt it up. Make sure these are tight, these are loose. Make sure the Allens on top are tight. Make sure the drain bolt on the bottom is also tight. Yeah, you just gotta check this thing periodically. There's a sight level right here where you can check the oil level. And I made sure to keep the lines long enough where when I need to drain this thing, I can just unbolt it, pick it up, and put a cup under it or something and drain it out. Turned out pretty good. Even though that it is under vacuum, I am a little concerned about it being higher than the rest of the PCV ports. I'm not sure if that'll be an issue. We'll see. If you know a different spot for it, maybe I can move it, but we'll find out. It looks good. But I think that's gonna do it for today. Alright, we did an oil change, put in some VR1, 20W50. It's that good stuff. The 5 for factory. Alright guys, that's all I got for y'all today. Next video coming up, we're gonna be going drifting for the first time. It's gonna be my first track day. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna be coming out soon. Y'all have a good one.